Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're reviewing the latest flagship from Apple, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. First off, let's talk about the design. The iPhone 16 Pro Max looks stunning, with a sleek stainless steel frame and toughened glass on both sides. The 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display is simply gorgeous, with vibrant colors and a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or browsing the web, the display is simply stunning. The phone's design is also incredibly durable, with IP68 water and dust resistance. We'll be putting this to the test later in the review. Performance. Under the hood, the A18 Pro chip delivers lightning-fast performance, handling demanding tasks with ease. With up to 16 GB of RAM, you can expect seamless multitasking and a responsive user experience. From launching apps to switching between tasks, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is incredibly fast. The phone also features an advanced cooling system, which keeps the device running smoothly even during intense gaming sessions. We'll be running some benchmarks to see just how fast this phone really is. Camera. The quad-camera setup is impressive, with a 48MP main sensor, a 12MP front camera, and advanced features like night mode and deep fusion. Image quality is exceptional, with crisp details and natural colors. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or low-light scenes, the iPhone 16 Pro Max delivers outstanding results. The camera app is also incredibly intuitive, with features like advanced editing software and a built-in telephoto lens. We'll be taking some sample shots to show you just how good the camera is. Battery life. Battery life is another strong suit, with up to 12 hours of internet use. The fast charging capabilities are also a welcome feature, giving you a quick boost when you need it. Plus, with wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, you can top up your battery without the hassle of cables. The phone also features a power-saving mode, which helps extend battery life even further. We'll be testing the battery life to see just how long it lasts. Conclusion. So, is the iPhone 16 Pro Max worth the upgrade? If you're due for a new phone and want the best of the best, absolutely. The camera, performance, and display make it a powerhouse of a device. However, if you're on a budget or already have a recent iPhone model, you might not need to upgrade just yet. Ultimately, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is an exceptional device that checks all the right boxes. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.